Right, so we have a 2026 BMW 2 Series. This is the new G Series of them. So if we come round, if we start the vehicle, we'll show you how it works. If we try to drive the car, it will shut the system down. Obviously, if we start the vehicle again, we can input our password. It will give us our 2 flashes. As you can see, that has now entered our password. We can now drive the vehicle as normal. Obviously, if we want to change that password, we can simply no feet on the pedals, 3 times on that start button. That will turn our ignition on. It will say diagnostic mode. We can now enter the password you currently have. You get your 2 flashes. On the accelerator pedal, all the way down to the floor, we do the old password again. Once you get your flash, you release your feet off the pedals. We can now enter our new password. The password we're going to enter for demonstration, we're just going to do this one 4 times. It will flash 3 times as confirmation. We can do the same thing again. It will flash twice as a submission. And now we can switch the car off. That is your new password. So we simply start the vehicle. I'm just going to try that new password. There we go. So that's the new password entered. That allows us to now drive the vehicle as normal. Now for servicing mode on this car. So for servicing, on the side of our indicator stick, we have our BC button. Once the vehicle engine is on, we're simply going to press our BC button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will now flash 5 times to acknowledge you are in your service mode. If we turn the car off, that is now in your service or valet mode. So you can now start the vehicle, you can drive it with no password, or you can hand the vehicle over to them to carry their work out. Once they've carried their work out, when you're ready to collect, you must simply start the vehicle with the car, and we must reinstate the ghost. So to do so, you must put your password for the vehicle whilst the engine is on. You get your 2 flashes. That has now brought the system back into play. So that way, when we turn the vehicle off for the next time, it is now protected and needing the password once more. And that's how it works on the new BMW 2 Series 2026.